Okay, go ahead.
Okay. What? I know this is a doll.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is a doll. Why won't I get another boy doll? Nice.
Ooh, that's a good looking one, and he's got a little piggy. That's awesome. Love it. You always need
Put
a
it
farmer.
right here.
Okay.
Yeah. No, you need a farmer.
Next, I'm gonna do this one. This also feels like a Barbie set.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
I think it is. And it is a dog one.
Ooh.
That comes with a dog and also some stuff.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Also, there's a little doggy there too. It comes with 2 doggies and this grass thing and a hula hoop for dogs to jump through and a golden medal and 2 little things and also some doggy bones. Nice.
Sweet. That looks pretty cool.
All right, what else?
Next I'm gonna do this one. Ooh, it's light.
What is it?
I don't know yet. This is pretty unusual.
You know what that would be good for?
But
Organizing your scrunchies
I
and
have
stuff on your dresser.
just like that. Flip
Mm-hmm.
it over. There you go.
That's pretty handy, right?
also I can put all my dollar stuff things in there.
Or that.
Next I'm gonna do this one. Ooh, it's a bit heavy.
Oh,
Cute wrapping paper.
right. What's that?
A new headset.
Ooh.
Wow, that's nice looking.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
It works on all Xbox Ones.
Oh, good.
Do we have an Xbox One?
Yep.
Okay.
2 of them.
I just wanted to make sure.
Okay. It's a mapping picture. And this is the last present.
Last present.
Did you have
A drone?
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Cool.
Wow.
Also, it can be controlled by my new iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait,
Wow.
I actually had one of those, but I don't know if that thing can move.
That is cool.
That looks awesome.
Also, I can spy on people with that.
Very neat.
Ooh. Spy Kids.
I think there's
Where
one
did you
more.
put the stuff I brought.
I had it on top of the dresser in there.
I think
It's
I
in
know
our
how
room.
to fly drones. I can possibly
It's
teach
in your
you.
room.
No, I know how to.
It's okay.
Is there anything else?
I think there might be one more.
Thank you. You said that one is for Lucas.
I lied.
Naughty Nana.
And no, this headband is for me. I already know that there was a headband
Well, be careful.
because I don't want to. This is so much wrapping paper. Is it just in case I? Nana, is this the sewing?
Yup. It's got it right here. The Velcro.
Oh,
Remember?
the sewing stuff.
Mm-hmm. These are for buttons, okay?
Okay. Also, I have some pencils for sketching.
That's just for material. So you gotta keep those in that box.
That looks awesome.
Wow. That's really cool.
That is awesome.
Is there any more?
Nope, that's it, Rotten Child. What do you say?
Thank you.